Do your mutual funds have a C next to it? Or do you have a C share mutual fund? We're going to talk about that in this video. So if your investments have a C next to it, that stands for contingent deferred sales charge, meaning that usually the way C shares work is that you have a 1-year time commitment in that account, and if you don't keep it for at least 1 year, they charge you a 1% withdrawal fee. And the reason they charge you a 1% withdrawal fee is because your agent got 1% up front, and it would be basically you would have to pay it back. So C shares are usually very short term as far as the back end sales charge, a lot shorter than B shares. But the other bad part about a C share is the fee is usually higher than a B or an A. And really, in today's environment, all three have fallen kind of out of favor. And people are using more institutional shares and doing load waived. So just something to think about. If you have a C share, number one, your money's locked up every time you contribute for a year. And then on top of that, you're paying higher ongoing fees for that liquidity. So just something to think about, something you want to look into. If you want to know exactly what you're paying, I mean, that 1%, it could change, but you want to contact your mutual fund company and find out exactly what that is and how much you're paying. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you want more information about retirement, investing, making money easy, you can go ahead and click here. Or if you'd like to subscribe, it really helps the channel. And then you also get updates when we release new information. You can click here to do that. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day.